Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and welcome back to another exciting video. And in today's video we're going to compare Honor 9 Lite with Honor 7A. The Honor 9 Lite is totally made of glass from its back, but the Honor 7A is made of plastic. Both smartphones have fingerprint sensor, but Honor 7A comes with single camera setup at back, and Honor 9 Lite has dual camera setup. And at the front, Honor 7A has a single camera, but Honor 9 Lite does have a dual camera setup. So first of all, we will test out the fingerprint sensor speed. This is Honor 7A. Let me show you the speed of Honor 7A. Wow, it works great. And the Honor 9 Lite is also working great, but the speed of Honor 9 Lite is much faster as compared to Honor 7A. Okay, so now let's move into the settings. And in settings we will go into about phone section, where we will check out the RAM, ROM and other specifications of smartphone. So EMUI version installed on both smartphones is same, which is 8.0, and the Android version is also same, which is 8.0 Oreo. And Honor 9 Lite comes with high silicon Kirin 659 processor, while CPU of Honor 7A is Qualcomm Snapdragon 430. The internal storage of Honor 9 Lite is 32 GB, while Honor 7A has 16 GB of internal storage. And the RAM of Honor 9 Lite is 3 GB, and of Honor 7A it is 2 GB only. Now let's test out the cameras of both smartphones. And here you can see the camera in Honor 9 Lite opens faster than Honor 7A, and at the top of camera you can see some modes and options. Honor 7A doesn't have portrait mode, while Honor 9 Lite have this mode. And in the back camera, here is also the same case. There is no portrait mode in Honor 7A, and you can see more modes when you swipe from left to right. The modes in Honor 9 Lite are much than the Honor 7A. Now we will test out the Asphalt Nitro on both smartphones, that which smartphone will provide us the great performance. Now here first we will try it on Honor 7A. So after setting up the game, we are ready to play it. The game on Honor 7A was running smoothly, there was no lag, but we can't say that Honor 7A provides us much greater performance. There were some lags in the game. So now we will play Asphalt Nitro on Honor 9 Lite, and we'll see that how does this game performs on smartphone. Wow, the gaming performance of Asphalt Nitro was too much buttery smooth on Honor 9 Lite as compared to Honor 7A. I was not feeling any type of lag in this game on Honor 9 Lite. So that was my review on Honor 7A and Honor 9 Lite. I hope guys that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos between the mid-range killer smartphones. Thanks for watching.